So this is how you can add unlimited TikTok shops. So there isn't actually a limit on how many items you can put up on TikTok. As you can see from this search right here, TikTok shop doesn't have a strict limit on the number of products you can upload. But if you meant something else like the affiliate, and here as you can see under the showcase button, you can tap on find products to promote. This will bring you to the product marketplace. From here, you can go on ahead and scroll down and tap on these add buttons to add to your showcase. So basically your showcase is your inventory, and if you ever post a video, you can simply add these to your yellow basket. And then your viewers can go on ahead and tap on that yellow basket and order these items. So these are pretty much unlimited. You can go on ahead and keep adding to your showcase, and there will be a vast different number of your products that you can sell. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.